1 Samuel chapter 28. Now round about that time, the Philistines called upon the armies to affect the Israelites. Says Achish to David, Ye cannot, you and your men, maun fecht on my side. And David said, Make the eye, and you'll see fit your servant can dee. Says Achish to David, Well, I'll make you my bodyguard for life. Now Samuel was dead, and all Israel had mourned for him, and had buried him in his ain tomb of Ramah. Saul had put in all the carlins in Spaman, out o' country. The Philistines gathered and set up camp at Shunem. Saul gathered the Israelite army, and pitched up at Gilboa. When Saul saw fu mony o' the Philistines there were, he was some feared. Aye, fair terrified he was. Saul cried to a meester, but the meester didna gie him an answer. Nae be dreams, nor be Urim, nor be prophets. Syne, Saul said to his servants, Go on and find my spae wife. Say I must see fit she has to say about things. And his servants told him there was sick a woman at the door. So Paul put on different clothes, so that he wouldn't be kent, took 12 chills wi' him, and gaed to see a woman a Nicht. He says to her, Cry on your spirits, and fess up a chill and name till ya. But the woman says to him, Div ye nae ken fit Saul's dean? He's dean awa wi' all a carlins and spaemen. Fit why are ye second to snare me, say I will be dean awa wi' tea? But Saul sware to her in the name o' a maester, saying, As sure as a maester's alive, you'll nae come to nae ill for us. Syne a woman spirit at him, Far ye second me to cry on. And he said, Fess up Samuel. When a woman saw Samuel, she roared out, and said to Saul, Fit why have ye chetted me? Here, Saul. And the king says to her, Dinna be feared. Fit did ye see? And the woman says to Saul, I saw a ghaist coming up the ground. And Saul says to her, Fit did he look like? And she says, An old man whooped up in a cote, coming up. And Saul jaloused it was Samuel, and he bowed down his face to groan. Samuel said to Saul, Fit are ye dean disturbing me by fessing me up? Saul answered, I'm fair for fucking. If Philistines are fechting wi' me, I'll make this for who eat me, and when I answer me either by prophets nor by dreams. Say I've turned to you to see gin you can tell me fit to thee. Samuel said to him, Fit why are ye speaking to me, gin a maester has turned fae ye, and is become your fae? A maester has deen fit he said he would, through me. A maester's riven the kingdom out of your hands, and gi'n it to een o' your neepers, to David. A maester's deen this till ye knew, 'cause ye didna dee fit he telt ye, and didna massacre the Amalekites. Moreover, a maester will hand you and the Israelites over to the Philistines. On the morn, you and your loons will be wi' me. A maester will hand over the Israelite army to the Philistines' tea. Saul fell to the ground, his full length, and was guy feared at what Samuel was saying. He was in a bit o' a dwam, 'cause he hadna had naething to eat all day or a nicht afore. His spae wife came to Samuel, and saw he was sair come and said to him, See nu, your deemy his deen fit ye spirit. I took my life in my hands and did fit ye telt me. Nu just hearken to fit I'm going to say to ye. You'll tak a mouthful to et, to gie ye strength for a road. Na, he said, I'm nae for naething to et. But the servants and the woman gart him, and he took with them. He got up fair groon and sat on a dees. A woman had a fat coffee at the house. She slaughtered it rick the wa. She took flour and kneaded it and baked some loaf, wi' nae barm wi' it. She brought it ben to Saul and his men, and they et it. At nicht they got up and gaed awa.